Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English literature class. Students, our today's topic is poem The Little Plant. Page number is 105. So let's start our class. Students, just look at the mode. This is the poem, 12 lines. And the poem's title is The Little Plant. In the heart of a seed, buried deep so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, save the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. And the poet's name is Kate Louise Brown. Kate Louise Brown. Students, I am repeating the poem's title is The Little Plant. In the heart of a seed, buried deep so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Poet is Kate Louise Brown. Once again, students, the little plant in the heart of a seed, buried deep so deep. A dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. And the poet is Kate Louise Brown. Kate Louise Brown, Kate Louise Brown. So students, this is the poem you have to learn at your home. And your ASW number 8 is poem The Little Plant. That means this poem is your ASW, and students, you must write the ASW number. ASW number 8 is poem The Little Plant. You have to write the whole poem. There are 12 lines here. So poem The Little Plant is your ASW number 8. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.